Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Wonder water filter is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked appliances in our homes, silently working to provide us with clean, safe drinking water every single day. In a world where water quality can be a concern, investing in a reliable water filter isn't just about taste, it's about safeguarding your health and the well-being of your family. Today, we're diving deep into the Wonder water filter, exploring its innovative features, performance, and why it might just be the ultimate solution for your hydration needs, ensuring every sip you take is pure and refreshing. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus, your new go-to for intensive hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to restore your hair's health and vitality. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It actively repairs damage, transforming your hair from the inside out. Experience immediate improvements in your hair's condition. You'll notice softer, stronger strands after just one use, with benefits that last. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is formulated for you. It addresses damage across all textures. Say goodbye to damaged hair and hello to a healthier mane. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for optimal results. What we like. This product is designed for immediate hair repair. It works as a pre-shampoo treatment to tackle damage. If you have damaged hair and are looking for a quick fix to make it softer and stronger, this is the one for you. What people say. The filter is easy to install and use. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water. The water tastes noticeably better after using the filter. Number 4. Waterdrop 15 UA Under Sink Water Filter System. Enjoy up to 24 months of fresh, filtered water with each system. It's designed for municipal tap water and works best with cold water sources. Our advanced filtration reduces lead, chlorine, and other impurities. Get healthy, pure water straight from your tap, saving you from buying bottled water. Rest assured with certifications against NSF ANSI 372 and 42 standards. It's made from premium BPA-free and lead-free materials for reliable use. Installation is a breeze with push-to-connect fittings, taking less than 3 minutes. Replacing the filter is just as quick, taking only 3 seconds. We've upgraded the filtration area for a 20x increase in dirt adhesion. This enhances filtration capability and minimizes the risk of clogging. Experience a fast and stable water supply with a flow rate of up to 1.33 GPM. Enjoy pure, fresh water that tastes like spring water. Replacement filters cost less than $35.99, saving you over 50% on subsequent use. Enjoy premium filtration without the premium price tag. What we like. This undersink system offers a long service life for its filters. It's designed for direct connection to your kitchen faucet. If you're looking for a convenient way to get purified water straight from your tap with minimal fuss and long-term cost savings on replacements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The filter is easy to install and use. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water, resulting in a cleaner taste. The filter has a long lifespan, lasting for several months before needing replacement. Number 3. Aqua CREST 5-year Inline Water Filter. Enjoy cleaner, better tasting water wherever you need it. This filter is perfect for refrigerators, ice makers, coffee machines, and even RVs, ensuring great hydration throughout your home. Setting up your new filter is a breeze. With included fittings, you can easily connect it to your existing water lines in just a few twists, no complex tools or cutting required. Forget about frequent replacements. This filter is designed to last for 5 years or 5,000 gallons, providing cost-effective, high-quality filtration for an extended period. Experience the difference with advanced filtration. It effectively reduces chlorine, taste, odor, and other impurities, giving you crisp, clean water every time. Your health is our priority. This filter is constructed with BPA-free and lead-free materials, ensuring the safety and purity of your drinking water. Everything you need is in the box. The package includes the filter, tubing, and all necessary fittings for a quick and straightforward installation. What we like. This inline filter boasts an exceptionally long service life of 5 years. It's ideal for appliances like ice makers and refrigerators. If you want to ensure great tasting water and ice from your appliances for a very long time with minimal replacement hassle, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The filter is easy to install and use. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water. The water tastes noticeably better after using the filter. Number 2. Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0 Water Ionizer. Discover the Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0, your advanced solution for alkaline water filtration. It's designed to provide you with optimal hydration and water tailored to your needs. Enjoy 7 distinct water options, including continuously variable alkaline settings from pH 4.5 to 11. You can also choose purified or acidic water, all with intuitive controls. Our system features advanced 7 electroplate technology with platinum-coated titanium plates. These durable and energy-efficient plates ensure long-lasting performance and superior ionization. The built-in active carbon water filter purifies over 1,585 gallons of water, lasting up to a year. Enjoy clean, crisp water with every use. Maintenance is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. It reverses polarity after each use and washes the plates automatically, ensuring optimal performance. Experience a wide ORP range from +600 to -750 mV and a clear, backlit LCD display. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 5-year warranty. What we like. This system produces alkaline water with multiple pH settings. It also features a convenient self-cleaning function. If you are interested in the benefits of alkaline water and want a versatile system that requires minimal maintenance, this is a great option to consider. What people say. The filter is easy to install and use. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water. The water tastes great after filtering. Number 1. Wonder Creature Cat Water Fountain Replacement Filters. Ensure your beloved pet always has access to fresh, clean water. These replacement filters are designed for our automatic pet fountains. These round carbon filters are specifically made to fit our 81 ounces 2.4 L stainless steel cat water fountains. They are approximately 5 inches in diameter. Replacing the filter is simple and should be done every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain optimal water quality for your furry friend. Before the first use, please remember to soak the new filter in clean water for 5 minutes. Afterwards, rinse it thoroughly for 30 seconds. Choose from various pack sizes, including 6, 8, 12, or 16 packs, to ensure you always have a replacement filter on hand. These filters help remove impurities and odors, encouraging your cat to drink more and stay healthy. It's an essential part of their hydration routine. What we like. These are replacement filters specifically designed for pet water fountains. They are round carbon filters that need regular replacement. If you own a compatible pet fountain and want to ensure your pet always has access to filtered, clean water, these replacement filters are essential. What people say. This water fountain filter replacement is easy to install and works exactly as advertised. It effectively removes odors and impurities, leaving water tasting fresh and crisp for pets. Perfect fit for my cat's water fountain. These work to keep out hair and food particles that may come loose, keeping the water fresher for longer. They catch most of the pet hair that sneaks into the fountain. Water stays clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.